Good morning. Today is Monday, August 19th, 2024. Stocks posted solid gains last week, buoyed by robust economic data and constructive comments from Fed officials. Next week is our annual Capital Cruise Client Appreciation Dinner on Lake Minnetonka. We have once again reserved the best boat on the best lake for the best clients. Registration is open. We are about 2/3 full. So if you have not already, please head on over to the website and RSVP for this year's event. We are looking forward to this opportunity to show our appreciation for your friendship, for your business, and for the trust that you continue to put in us every day. As always, we are going to have a blast. So please be sure to RSVP, reserve your spot, and we look forward to celebrating you very, very soon. With that, I'm going to roll this week's intro, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened in the markets last week.
Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update.
Last week, the Standard & Poor's 500 index rose 3.93%, while the NASDAQ Composite gained 5.29%. The Dow Jones Industrials Average lagged a little bit, picking up 2.94%, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, powered ahead by 4.31%. The 10-year Treasury bond yield came down again to 3.89%. This is now down 6.71% from a month ago and down 11.19% from 3 months ago. Remember, as yields fall, bond values rise. 3 critical economic data points gave investors what they were looking for last week: wholesale inflation, consumer prices, and retail sales. Both the producer price index and the consumer price index rose less than expected in July, reinforcing a picture of cooling inflation. The July retail sales report on Thursday was stronger than expected, which added more fuel to the week-long rally. Market action slowed down on the week's final trading day, with positive consumer sentiment gains countered only by a drop in housing starts. It was the S&P 500's best weekly gain of the year so far, and the best since November of 2023. The gains helped erase losses from earlier in the month when carry trades news from Japan unsettled investors. Last week's market rally saw assists from 2 places as well: economic data and constructive Fed comments. On Thursday, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic said he had, quote, a lot more confidence that inflation is sustainably on its way to 2%, citing steady drops in CPI. And St. Louis Fed President Alberto Musalem said the time may be nearing when an adjustment to the Fed funds rate may be appropriate. Looking at this week, we have another busy week. The key economic data that we are watching this week starts off today, where we get a look at leading indicators. Nothing tomorrow, Tuesday. On Wednesday, we get a look at the FOMC meeting minutes. Thursday, we're watching a 2-day event, the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. We also get a look at jobless claims and existing home sales. And then on Friday, that symposium continues. We also get a look at new home sales, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell is going to speak. In our proprietary Smart Mix portfolio process, we primarily invest in individual stocks, cutting out the many hidden costs that can be found in today's investment products. Second quarter earnings season continues. Some of the companies that we're watching this week include Palo Alto, Lowe's, TJX Companies, Analog Devices, and Intuit, as you can see there on the screen. You can learn about our low-cost, fully transparent, and personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. Then at 2 p.m. Central Time today, I will be sending out our full update for the week. This update includes more than what I talk about here on Monday mornings, including our popular weekly tax tip. This week's tax tip, we look at who qualifies for the Child and Dependent Care Tax Credit. So we're going to outline who the IRS defines as a qualifying person under this care credit. Again, this email and everything with it goes out at 2 p.m. Central Time. If you would like to get that email, you may subscribe at our website, which of course is www.investwithccg.com.
Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.